Hello everyone. Welcome to Pure Stone Heart. And for those who did not subscribe my channel, please do subscribe my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you will be notified for my next video update, and click and share my video. Okay. I'm so happy again, guys, because I ordered another pair of shoes 3 days ago and it arrives today. Another pair of shoes. I'm so addicted with this shoes, guys. And you all know already because I'm already having a lot of, what do you call this one, unboxing. So come, have an enjoy and relax and see. I'm so excited to unbox all this my ordered pair. So I ordered another three pairs of shoes. And it arrives here now. Okay? Now let's open it. Okay, here we go. This is the first. So again, guys, this is a Fila shoes. Ayan, Fila shoes. I'm so excited actually because when I saw this one, okay, oh my God, see. Oh my God. See, look what happened. I'm so excited. What? Orange. This is orange. Look. The spike, it's a different color from the one that I have it yesterday. Oh my goodness, I'm so excited to wear this one. And then this is the next one. So excited. Yeah. Another Fila shoes. The same color of box. And this one, the other color. See. The same design but this different color. Yeah. Other one. Wow. Look, what's this? Oh my God. This is so amazing. And then that's it all, guys, and I'm so satisfied with my orders. Yeah. Yeah, shoe lover. I know some shoe lover can relate to me for having this one. Hmm? Thank you so much. For those who did not like and subscribe my channel, please do subscribe and share our video. Hit the notification bell so that you will be notified in my next unboxing video. Thank you so much. God bless everyone.